And I have like the best outfit. I mean, isn't that nice? I mean, just like for real, you know. So yeah, let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm creating the second eye makeup look using chocolate gold eyeshadow palette by Too Faced, and also feel free to tell me if you like the first eye makeup look that I have created. Let me know in the comments below. But if you haven't watched this video, I will be having a card up here that you can check it out after you watch this video. Okay, so I'll just jump right into it, and I will prime my eyes using this eye primer by e.l.f. and this is in a beige shade, and I'm going all over my eyelid till my brow bone. Now I will apply rolling dough from lash line to my brow bone, and I will take So Bougie shade into the crease and diffuse it again towards my brow bone. And I will take a clean brush to blend the edges. I don't want to have any harsh lines. Now with an angled brush, I will take Leave-In Lavish and apply it into the center of my eyelid and blend it towards my outer corner and smudge it carefully into the lower lash line. And because I'm working with a shimmery eyeshadow, I'm just using a cotton pad under my eye area just to prevent any fallout. And now again with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend the edges. I really like this purple color. It's so intense. This is so beautiful, and it kind of matches my mug. How cute. Cheers. I only have coffee, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so now I will take this gorgeous silver color. I am obsessed with it. I've used it on other makeup tutorials before, and it is to die for. So again, I'm using this cotton pad just to prevent any fallout, and I'm gonna take my finger to apply it, and I am going right here into the eyelid. Just look how intense, how pigmented this shade actually is. It is amazing. I just love it. Now to blend it with this purple color, I'll just take just a fluffy brush, and I'm going right here between them and blending that. And I'm kind of dragging the purple shade towards the silver one. And now I will go with Rich Girl, which is again beautiful. This is kind of a something like in between of silver and gold shade, and I will go directly into my inner corner. Just to really make that eye pop. Well, not actually my eyeball, but my eye makeup, because if I make my eyeball now to pop, now this would be like really weird to see, you know. So I think it goes pretty well. I just love this palette because of these, you know, kind of shimmer metallic colors that it has. They're just gorgeous. And it's so easy to use, actually, this palette as well, because the colors are very pigmented and you can do so many looks with it. You know, it has also some matte colors, you know, like these brownish and beige colors for everyday makeup look. You have also a black eyeshadow, so you can do like a lot of things with it. Okay, so I think this looks quite okay. I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and I will just finish off the eye, the other eye, apply some false lashes and some mascara on my lower lashes. I hate both of these things, but anyway, and I'll be right back to show you the final look. And this is the final eye makeup look using a chocolate gold eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. I am obsessed of this combination with purple and silver tones. I think it looks gorgeous. It's actually somehow like an almost fall makeup look. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. And I guess I will see you tomorrow with the third and the last eye makeup look using a chocolate gold eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. And yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.